fuck you, pay me. Early on my grind, I'm tryna get paid daily. Tired of working jobs, paying bullshit rages. Running from that man, I'm tryna stay up out of cages. Tryna get rid of my stress, them blunts blazing. The only time I feel at my best is stack faces. Get money, stack cash, the only thing I'm thinking. Get enough to sit back, relax, and vacation. I can see it in my dreams, I'm hoping that I make it before a nigga slip up and get his life taken. That might be the price of the streets for money making. Learn all the tricks of the streets at young ages.
Wake up every morning, read a scripture. Dream of a perfect day and then I paint a picture. Then I read my lesson, me and my brethren smoking, thinking of what we gon' do today, because tomorrow is not promised. We gon' believe it when you see it. We gon' paint a perfect picture, motherfucker. We gon' thinking that we playing, just listen to what we saying. When we spit it, we not playing, and we gon' I'm so far up out of here. Catch me out the late night, shining bright like chandeliers. Catch me in the sky like a star, I be blazing. If you roll up, I hit it with no hesitation. Check my reservations, ain't no desperations. On cloud 9 with Mary Jane, that's my location. Yeah, I get fly, boy, you don't know nothing about this. Sipping on this platinum, got everything in rotation. Swagger straight raging, check my altercations. I'm something you never seen before, monster situation. I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. Wake up every morning, read a scripture. Dream of a perfect day and then I